80,000 up to 109,000 euro. This is exactly what a single day of unexpected downtime costs in your 30-ton lead oxide production. Yet, procurement still celebrates buying a Chinese ball mill at the same time at 1/3 of the price, or choosing suppliers who hide the Chinese assembly behind an European brand for 20% of discount. That's it. They save on upfront capex but sign off on an operational suicide. Cheap engineering means unstable free land and constant breakdowns. By simply preventing this type of failure and reducing process downtime by just 10 days per year, you recover 1 million euro of pure margin. Saving on the sticker price of a lead oxide plant is a financial failure. If management refuses the engineering cure, they own the loss. To stop your cost of delay, reply to this video.